What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. Today, I want to do a quick tutorial to show you how you upgrade your package in QubitTech. All right, guys, before I jump right into the content, I do want you to go ahead and like this video. Then I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, I'm going to make this really quick. This isn't going to be a long video, but I want to show you how you upgrade your license in QubitTech. So right now I'm at the $500 license and I want to upgrade to the $1,000 license, the silver license. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log into the back office. When I'm in the back office, what you want to do is to make sure you're on the My Wallet tab. So now that I'm on the My Wallet tab, you're going to see all of the licenses here. So what I'm going to do is click on the box with the silver license. You go ahead and click there. Then it's going to show you the $1,000 license. It's going to say the monthly result is about $250. And then your total result is $2,500. Now, what I want to tell you is that you don't have to put more money in to purchase this license if you already have money in your wallet balance here. If you've earned money in the system, you can take the money that you've earned in the system and purchase this upgrade. So I think that's absolutely phenomenal that you don't have to take outside money and put in here. Now, when you're at the silver license, it does give you some additional benefits because it takes your binary bonus from 8% up to 9%, right? And then it also takes your direct bonus from the level 2 being only 2% to it being 3%. So that is an additional benefit for having the $1,000 license. So I want to show you guys that not only do you make more money with it, but you get those additional benefits as well. So I want to go ahead and get in the process of doing this. So what I want to do is to go ahead and go to my current license. Now, I have to let you know that you cannot upgrade a license that you earned. You see, I have 2 licenses in here that I earned during the quick start phase, right? The first 15 days, I earned 2 digital licenses that they gave me for free. So what I want to do is upgrade the license that I actually purchased. So what I'm going to do is to go here to where it says digital license plus bronze, right? I want to go ahead and click upgrade here. When I click upgrade, it's going to take me over to that license upgrade thing. I want to make sure that it's on silver, right? So when I go in and make sure it's on silver, like I showed you before, so it's on silver, shows all that same information that we had talked about. And then now it's going to give me the option to upgrade now. So I'm going to click on this button here for upgrade now. When I click on the upgrade now, it's going to take me into a different page. It says the make the payment in USDT. Since I have USDT in my wallet right now, it'll take it from that. So I go ahead and click upgrade for $500 here to take me up to the $1,000 package. So I go ahead and click the upgrade. You see it did it automatically. It removed it from my wallet balance. Now that wallet balance has went down to $315, right? So, but now I actually have a $1,000 digital license. Isn't that phenomenal? I only invested $100 in this platform so far of my own money. And now I actually own a $1,000 digital license and 2 $100 digital licenses. Can I tell you guys also that I'm on pace to get a free $500 digital license as well through the Quick Start program. Now, the reason why I wanted to upgrade is because when you have a $1,000 digital license, it moves it up to the fact that you can now withdraw up to $1,000 per week, right? So I wanted that additional space to be able to withdraw the amount of money that I want to withdraw, but also it increases the amount of binary bonus that you can earn as well, because now I can earn up to $1,000 per week in binary bonus. Now, as I continue to earn money, I will continue to upgrade my license so that way I can withdraw more and I can earn more in the binary bonus. So it all works together to get you paid the most money. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to continue to work the system. I'm going to continue to invite people over to this phenomenal program, and I'm going to help people make money, and we're going to make money. I want to tell you guys that I am doing presentations right now. I don't know how long these are going to last, but since I am launching the platform, I'm doing presentations Monday through Thursdays. And I'm doing those presentations at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll go ahead and put the link and everything in the description so that you guys can go ahead and jump in and get in on that presentation. Now, I also want to tell you that you need to subscribe to my Telegram channel. That's right. I've started a new Telegram channel. I'll put the link to that in the description as well. But if you get in if you subscribe to my Telegram channel, you'll get on the you're on the spot notifications for everything that I'm doing. Anytime I'm having presentations, anytime I'm about to drop videos, a lot of different alerts that I'm going to give you. That's the crypto investing alerts. I'll send those alerts out to you through Telegram. So you want to make sure that you're also subscribed to that. All right, guys. Hopefully this has been very helpful for you. I know it was a very short video, but I thought it was a necessary video to show you how you can upgrade from within the platform, even with the earnings that you've made from the platform. All right. As always, you know my motto. We're going to invest wisely, but we're also going to invest well. Until the next video, I want you all to have a phenomenal day.